Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Miss Red Fox. And if you're new to the channel, this channel is to help you become smart about beauty and to look good, like a fox. So hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss my videos. I do post every week. And hit the like button if you like the content of this video. Today I'm going to be doing a B video, which is beauty biology, where I'm going to educate you guys on what you are putting onto your face. And today the topic is vegan makeup. What does that mean, and are you using vegan makeup? No, that's okay. You don't need to do that video. You know, you do something else. I've got vegan makeup. It says it right here on the bottle. So what's the point of this video? No, you see, that's the whole point, is why I'm doing this video. Just because it says it's a vegan product does not mean it's a vegan product. Because there's nobody to regulate it and to make sure the brands are telling the truth. So any brand can sit there and put vegan on the bottle and it not be really vegan. Really? It's got a little bunny on it. Nope, doesn't mean a thing. Wait, no. This one actually says no animal product. Still, can be a lie. What about this one? This one actually says vegan. I don't think you're listening. Wait, no. This one says 100% vegan. Yeah, and it can be 100% a lie. Okay, last one. This one must be vegan. It says it is vegan certified. Certified! No, sorry, it doesn't mean a thing. They can say they're certified, but remember, nobody's regulating them, so who is certifying them? Themselves? No. Still can be a lie. So wait a minute. You're telling me that I gotta be a low-key chemist to know if I'm putting animal organs on my face? No, that is exactly why I'm doing this video. Is you don't know who's being faff. What's faff? You know, fake as fuck. Oh, yeah. Totally faff. That is why I'm doing this B2B video for you, because you can't believe everything you read in the bottle. Just because your product says it's vegan does not mean it's really vegan. But don't worry, I got you covered. I'm going to cover in this video 14 of the ingredients that are most commonly used in cosmetics that are animal products. And I will try to go as fast and as clear as I can, because there is 14 of these ingredients. Because I know you got an attention span like this. But I still love you this much. And after I do my quick run through and explaining to you what these products are and what they're called, it will be in the description box below, so you can use that to reference, so you don't have to worry about writing it all down. And I will also list the products that I know, from my knowledge for sure, that are vegan, and I will mention some in this video that is not vegan, so you know if you are using any of the most popular brands that aren't vegan, so it saves you time on researching all your makeup brands that you have, so you don't have to worry about what you're putting on your face. Hopefully not animal organs. So save this video to your playlist so you can use it to reference it back, and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any other videos that I'm going to do, because I will be putting more out there to educate you on specific ingredients that is in your makeup that you would want to look out for. Believe me, you're going to want to look out for these ingredients. The first non-vegan ingredient I'm going to be speaking about is lanolin, which is from sheep wool. And there is a plant-based one. The only way you will be able to tell the difference is if it says synthetic lanolin, then that is plant-based. And even if it says cruelty-free lanolin, it can mean it's still derived from sheep wool. Next non-vegan ingredient I'm going to be talking about is shellac. Shellac is derived from luck bugs. Yes, you heard me, bugs. You will find this ingredient in nail products and hair liqueurs traditionally, and thousands and thousands of these bugs are crushed in order just to make the smallest amount of this product. Number 3, glycerine. Glycerine is animal fat, and this is used in soap, moisturizers, hair care, and a lot of other makeup products. There is a vegetable-based glycerin, but it's not used often, and it's hard to tell if it is animal fat or a vegetable glycerin in the product. The only way you can tell is if the company uses the plant-based glycerin extract that they're using, which can be palm oil, coconut oil, or soya oil. And now, prepare for number 4. It comes in 3 different names, so just bear with me, and they're very difficult names to pronounce. So forgive me if I am pronouncing them incorrectly, but I will spell them out in the description bar for you, so no judging. First name is Casein, sodium caseinate, or just simply caseinate. And this product is derived from cow's milk. It's typically in hair conditioning treatments and face treatments. And don't worry, there is a vegan version of this, and it will be listed under vegetable protein. Prepare yourself for number 5. It's a bit of a gut wrencher, and that is Squalene, and it's derived from shark liver oil. And this is typically found in balm and moisturizers. This will be in anti-aging moisturizers because it's known to be a really powerful anti-aging ingredient. And there is a vegan version of this, and that is derived from olives and wheat germ. The part you have to worry about is that it's not always going to be called Squalene. They sometimes word things a little bit differently, but you never know what they call it. There isn't a set formula of different words that can mean Squalene. So you don't know if the product really has it or not if they don't list it as Squalene. They can call it something else and you wouldn't know. And number 6, guanine. And guanine is scales that are scraped off dead fish. And what would they use this for? Well, typically in polish, eyeshadow, highlighters, bronzers, and blushes, and even sparkly nail polish. And number 7, and again, it goes by 4 different names: Oleic acid, stearate, oleyl, and tallow. And this product is animal fat. And this product is usually to make products softer, like nail polish, moisturizers, hair products, and other makeup products. And there is vegan sources, which usually come from coconut, olives, and nuts. But this form of product is typically labeled as vegan when they have the plant options of this specific ingredient. And number 8 is a given: animal hair. This is found, of course, in your makeup brushes. And just because it says cruelty-free does not mean it's not animal hair. And animal hair can be from minks, from squirrels, from horses, goat, foxes, and sables. And if you're wearing eyelashes, it can be typically mink hair that you are wearing on your eyes. Number 9, another gut turner: stearic acid, which is from the pig's stomach. Sometimes cows and sometimes sheep's stomachs too. And the reason why it's kind of confusing why cosmetic companies would choose to use this product and not the synthetic vegan version is because the animal derived one from pig, sheep and cow stomach is that it irritates our skin more than the vegan alternative version. It's plant-based, so it's kind of like, why use something that's most likely going to irritate your consumers? Makes no sense, but yet they still use it. And number 10 has 5 names. Traditionally it's called Carmine, and the 4 names that are associated with it is cochineal, natural red 4, E120 and CI 75470. Typically this is what makes makeup red, and typically it's found in things that are typically red like lipsticks and blushes. And this is derived from insects, and it's called exactly that, cochineals. Tens of thousands of them are crushed again to make the smallest amount of this product. And when I mean small amount, I mean just a tiny bit, like grams of it. Tens and thousands to make a gram of this product. And number 11, one you probably see in your product, collagen. Usually in moisturizers that are anti-aging and lip plumping products. And this can be from animal tissue, bones, ligaments, and even skin. Typically cows. But the sad part is there's no scientific evidence that collagen actually penetrates the skin. So you could be putting it onto your skin and it doing nothing. And this is coming from animal organs of a cow typically. You're putting bone, ligaments, skin on your face that might not even be working. Soya protein and almond oil are vegan versions of collagen, and guess what? There is proof that that penetrates your skin. So if you're using collagen products, get rid of it. Number 12, Elastin. This product is usually found with its sister ingredient collagen. And this is derived from aortas, ligaments and muscles from animals. MSM and hyaluronic acid are vegan versions of this product. Number 13, you've probably seen the infamous commercial of a hair product called Keratin. And you probably go to the hair salon and you see keratin treatments. But what is keratin? Well, let me tell you. Keratin is derived from hair and horns of animals, and even hooves. Typically found in strengthening nail and hair treatments. But when something is really vegan, when it comes to hair strengthening and nail strengthening products, it would have soya protein or almond oil as alternatives. And number 14, beeswax. We all know what beeswax is, and an alternative to it is soya wax. And beeswax is typically found in mascara most of the time. Brands that are big no-nos that do have animal products in it. NARS, MAC, Dior, Chanel, Prada, all the other big luxury brand makeups, as well as the big drugstore makeup brands like Rimmel, L'Oreal, Maybelline, CoverGirl. All of them are animal products. They are not vegan products, as well as Kylie Jenner's line and Kim K's line. Then we got the Huda Beauty brand. They are all non-vegan cosmetic brands. We've got the drugstore brands like Rimmel, CoverGirl, L'Oreal, Maybelline. All the big drugstore brands have animal products in it. And then the drugstore brands that typically don't have it in it, that you can find anywhere, is NYX, Pixie, Pacifica, Physicians Formula, Elf, Girlatic, and Wet n Wild, and a few others that I will list below for you. And then you got the bigger brands that's typically in Ulta and Sephora, like Cover X, Tarte, Urban Decay, Kat Von D, as well as the infamous JEFREE Stars makeup line. And as I said before, below I will list a much larger list of vegan cosmetic brands that I know to be true is vegan. So I hope that you found this video educational. If you did, thumbs it up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos where I can teach you something that you didn't know before. And did you know that when something is labeled vegan, that it is not truly vegan, that they could be lying? Comment below, let me know if that was some new information that you just never knew. And if you know of any other brands that is not in my list that are vegan, please feel free to comment below and share it with me so I can add it to my own personal list. I hope that I managed to give you a quick rundown that was very simple and easy for you to understand. So quick recap, go to the description bar, you will find brands that are drugstore and non-drugstore brands that are vegan, as well as the ingredients that are listed in this video, and my IG. If you haven't followed me on my IG, follow me. I do respond a lot to the comments there and my DMs, so follow me there and hit that subscription button here and the bell notification if you don't want to miss my weekly uploads. And thank you guys so much. Mwah.